The biggest mistake most beginner traders make isn't choosing the wrong asset. It's starting before they understand what they're looking at. Financial markets reward preparation. Not luck, not speed. Preparation. Educating yourself before you trade isn't just useful. It's the difference between making a decision and making an informed one. Understanding why prices move, what drives different markets, how to read basic signals, that kind of knowledge compounds over time. The more you build it, the clearer everything becomes. FluxPointEdge is built around that principle. Education first, everything else second. Markets today cover a lot of ground. Forex operates around the clock across global currency pairs. Crypto runs 24/7 and reacts fast to sentiment and regulation. Commodities follow supply chains and geopolitical shifts. Indices reflect the broader health of entire economies. Each one moves differently. Each one has its own logic. You don't need to master all of them at once, but having a working understanding of what you're engaging with, even at a basic level, puts you in a much stronger position. Staying focused doesn't mean ignoring everything. It means knowing what actually matters to your specific situation and filtering out the rest. That kind of discipline comes from education. When you understand the fundamentals, you react less and think more. That shift alone makes a significant difference. FluxPointEdge gives you the tools to build that understanding. Market education, platform insights, trading technology explained clearly, and a community of people on the same path. Subscribe to FluxPointEdge for consistent, straightforward financial education, built for beginners, focused on what actually matters.